In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a purchase order as closed in QuickBooks Online. Closing a purchase order is a simple but important way to keep your records clean and your purchasing workflow organized. It tells your system and your team that nothing more needs to be received or billed against that order, which helps prevent accidental duplicates and keeps your open list focused only on what still needs attention. Start by going to the search bar at the very top of your QuickBooks Online screen. It's the field with the small magnifying glass icon. Click into that search bar to activate it, then type the words Purchase Order. As QuickBooks pulls up options, look for and select Open Purchase Order List. This takes you directly to the list of purchase orders that are still open. Depending on your internet speed, your company file size, and how many transactions you have, it may take a moment to load, so don't worry if there's a brief pause. Once the list appears, you'll see your open purchase orders displayed. If you're working with a long list, take a second to scan for the specific purchase order you want to close. You can use the list's built-in controls, like sorting columns or searching within the page to find it faster if needed. When you've located the right one, click directly on the purchase order number to open its details. This brings you into the full purchase order page where you can review line items, vendor information, and current status. On this purchase order details page, look for the field labeled Purchase Order Status. It appears as a drop-down. Click the drop-down and change the status to Closed. That's the key action. When you set the status to Closed, QuickBooks registers that the order is complete and should no longer appear in your open list. You'll typically see the status update reflected right away on the screen. That's all you need to do. From here, you can return to your open purchase order list to confirm that it's no longer showing, or simply continue with your other tasks. Closing purchase orders as soon as they're finished helps keep your purchasing pipeline up to date, reduces confusion during month end, and makes reporting more accurate. If you ever close the wrong purchase order by mistake, you can come back to the same spot and change the status back to open the exact same way. Thanks for watching. If you follow these steps every time a purchase order is complete, you'll keep your QuickBooks Online workspace clean and your processes running smoothly.